Hey guys, welcome to the Samsung guide. Here we detail how to enable cycle to search. So if you want to just press and hold your Samsung button or swipe like this, then to enable cycle to search, just go ahead, cycle anything on your Samsung phone, then to search it, then this video is going to walk you through how to do this step by step. So if at the end of this you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Cycle to search is a new Samsung feature that allows you to use your Samsung phone swipe gestures or the home button on the navigations. Then once you press and hold it, you'll be able to search any image or anything online using cycle to search. So this. So that, and this is going to make use of the Google search engine to use the cycle to search in your Samsung Galaxy device. So to do this, all you just need to do is go to your Samsung phone settings. On the settings page, you want to scroll down, just keep scrolling until you get to display and click on that. Now, under display, scroll down the page, keep scrolling until you get to navigation bar, select that. Now, once you select the navigation bar, under the navigation bar functions, there is a feature called cycle to search. Then, if this is disabled in your own case, you will not be able to use cycle to search in your Samsung. See that? So, the cycle to search feature will be disabled. Now to enable it, go ahead and turn on cycle to search. Then you should say touch and hold the home button or the navigation handle to search using the content on your screen. Then whenever you're on any web page, either on Twitter, on Facebook, on any social media platform, or you want to search for a particular thing using the cycle to search on your Samsung, just go ahead, press and hold the home button or the navigation like this. Then you're going to see the interface pop and then you'll be prompted to circle whatever you want to search on your Samsung phone. So go ahead and circle anything. So to use the cycle to search, just circle anything like this. Then you're going to see the result pops in Google search engine. So that is basically how to enable cycle to search in Samsung. So if you found this informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.